Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Hyundai Palisade, updated. Park on level ground, engage park, place wheel chocks, consult the owner's manual, and locate the jacking points before lifting. Use a compatible jack and jack stand rated for the vehicle, lift slowly while checking alignment and stability, and never work under a car supported only by a jack. Take your time and ask for help if needed. Before lifting, gather tools and prepare the vehicle carefully. Block the wheels, set parking brake, and loosen lug nuts slightly before jacking. Position the jack at the manufacturer jacking point, raise the vehicle slowly until tire clears the ground. Place jack stands securely under reinforced points, lower onto stands, and confirm stability before removing the wheel. If unsure, consult a professional or the manual. Quick recommendation and a small favor. Please subscribe and like if you find this video helpful. It really supports the channel. Also, check out the product seen here. Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's handy during roadside work and fits cup holders. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing one for safer, more comfortable brakes. Now let's get back to the video. Lift the vehicle in small increments while checking jack alignment and vehicle stability at each stage. Tighten lug nuts in a star pattern after lowering the vehicle to the ground and torque to specification. Inspect tools and stands before and after use, and store equipment safely. Stay mindful of traffic if roadside, use high-visibility vest, and never exceed the rated capacity of your jack or stands. Practice these steps in a safe area until you feel confident and competent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.